Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix YouTube video pause continue watching problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connection. Okay, done. And second, turn off battery saver mode and go to phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option, tap on search bar, search for YouTube, tap on YouTube and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back, tap on the permission option. First to last allow all permission, first camera allow and second contacts allow, location allow, and another microphone nearby devices notifications, turn on notifications. Okay, back and go to phone and allow phone, photos and videos allow. Okay, done, complete, allow all permission, complete. Okay, go to Google Play Store or App Store and tap on search bar, tap on search YouTube update, tap on YouTube update and my YouTube app already updated to the latest version. Okay, done. Go back and now restart your phone. We open it in your phone. Okay, done. And open your YouTube app and again play any video. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.